time management and yun na din, self-discipline kasi you have to sacrifice a lot, 'di ba, sa review. Tapos I'm a parent, tapos I work full-time sa gabi. I really, kung baga if I go back din talaga sa preparation ko, paano ko kaya nagawa yun? Ganun. Pero
Oo.
it's all by the grace of the Lord din talaga. And yung motivation, if you really have that motivation, yun, ganun pala na if I have that drive, that motivation, talagang makakaya mo. I found myself na kaya ko palang to really juggle yung being a mom, reviewing at the same time, and then working. So, yung self-discipline, it's very important din talaga on how I made it dun sa exam.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good
Hello, good
evening everyone.
morning.
Of course, we are excited po na malaman po ang story po nila dito sa Hope Talk po natin. And thank you for accepting our invitation. Nagwo-work po ba kayo ngayon?
Yes po, I'm currently working but not in the bedside po. I'm working as a VA but it's still related to the nursing course. I'm a care
Ah,
manager.
wow. Healthcare account po, no?
Yes po,
Ah,
sir.
that's nice. Hey, Ma'am Shirley, when did you take the NCLEX?
I took the NCLEX last April 29th this year po. And I was part of the Cycle 10, but I seriously took the review Cycle 11 because I joined the Cycle 10 mid na po. Nakapag-start na po ng half na po nung lecture. So, nag-attend ako ng Cycle 10, 11, and 12 before I took the exam. Kasi it has been like, dun sa experience ko po, it has been more than a decade that I had not been working in the bedside. So, aminado ako na kung wala ang tulong ng IPAS, I won't make it. I really won't make it. So, thank you so much, IPAS.
Thank you, Ma'am Shirley. Parehas pala tayo ng situation. I myself
Yes.
po wala rin sa bedside. But with the help of iPass Online Review and Mentoring Academy, ginawa po talaga nila yung ways, no, for us to make it easier for
Exactly
the
po.
review. Parang yung time, kailangan natin ano yung time management natin. Lalo na sa mga working people like us. So it's not easy. And we are
Yes.
excited po, Ma'am Shirley. No? Ano po yung naging journey nyo to this NCLEX review? Can you share more about po, Ma'am, about your educational background? Kailan pa tayo graduate?
Yes po, I graduated BSN year 2009 in Pine City Colleges, Baguio City. Yes, from
Mm.
Pines, kung may taga Pines po dyan. So, I took nursing, that was way back to 2009. And then, di ba po sa time kasi namin, volunteer lang ang available. So, I volunteered as well for less than a year in our provincial hospital. But then, parang hindi ko nakikita yung opportunity talaga. I don't see the good opportunity na kasi alam niyo na po may political ano din na pag wala kang kapit, hindi ka ma-regular o kaya kahit ano lang, contractual. So, I went to Manila, applied for a job, and then I work in a call center for a year, and then nag-ano din po ako. I work in a healthcare account in Optum. So it has been, I worked there as a medical claim review in letters team for 5 years until I had my baby. When I had my baby, I decided to work from home. And that starts my journey as a virtual assistant. So yun po. Yung sa experience ko with the virtual assistant, it's not with the inpatient, it's more of the outpatient setting. I worked with a Virginia-based family doctor for 5 years. So, I work on the chronic care management. It's still related din naman po sa nursing. I provide health teachings sa patients. I call them, provide health teachings about their chronic conditions, advise them when need to set up appointment. And then after 5 years, I transferred to my recent job right now as a care manager. And still the same. I still follow up with the patients. I enjoy my job right now. It's just that I'm looking forward for the future. So I'm thinking about my kids' future. So talaga pong parang pinag-isipan ko yung pag-e-NCLEX ko. Kasi lahat po ng mga kabatch ko sa Optum dati nasa US na. So sabi ko, ang galing naman ng mga to. So yung it's not really yung para sa sarili ko na po. I'm thinking about my kids. Kaya I really pursued yung NCLEX exam. And good thing po talagang ang galing din ni Lord kasi He orchestrated everything talaga. Kasi nagbabrowse lang ako sa Facebook, biglang naano ko yung iPass. Tapos nagtanong-tanong ako sa
Ah,
friends ko po. Nagtanong-tanong ako sa friends ko, ano yung iPass? Sila nagpa-process. Tapos anong magandang state na madali lang na mag-process ng application. Ayun. So, very smooth yung transition, yung process until na yun, yung walang naging problema sa paper, pinaprocess ko yung papers ko sa pinsan ko sa Baguio, hindi na ako nagbiyahe doon. Though sobrang magastos pero it's worth it pag napasa niyo po.
that's true. Ano, meaning you have utilized po iPass processing and iPass
I
online review and
yes, I
mentoring
pass
strategy.
processing and then I inquired kung may online mentoring sila. Bumili pa ako ng Saunders ko yung makapal na 2 volumes pero hindi ko din nagamit. Kasi yung roadmap, enough na po yun. Sobrang sapat na. Yung NCLEX roadmap ng iPass, yun lang yung ginamit ko. And of course, yung online review, yung mga discussion ng mga coaches, sobra pong nakatulong sa akin. So imagine, I don't have bedside experience for a decade, pero nakaya ko, I stop at 85 items. What more sa mga single, no babies, and just working in the hospital, kayang-kaya nyo po yan. Basta just focus, time management, really, and you'll make it for sure.
I agree with you, Ma'am Shirley, no? It doesn't matter naman kung ano yung situation natin ngayon. Like, if you have a family, if you're single, if you're taking care of your loved ones, as long as we manage our time and we
Yes.
have one goal, we just have to focus on that and everything will be possible.
Yes po.
And bakit naman po, sa tingin niyo po, it took you how many years for you to realize to take NCLEX?
Siguro midlife midlife crisis, sir. Kasi iniisip ko talaga yung kids ko, parang the inflation rate in the Philippines, tapos kahit yung okay naman po, if siguro I'm single, I would stick to the job that I have right now and dito na lang. Pero kasi I have kids, I'm thinking about their future. So it's really, that's the main reason why I took the exam for NCLEX and then right now I'm applying for a job yun sa US po.
Nice.
Yan, nag-a-apply na. Next step na.
And under which Board of
Praise
Nursing po
God.
ang tinake natin?
New
Anong
York po.
state? And how long did it take po for you to receive your eligibility?
Ang bilis nga lang po kasi they said I'll be waiting like 3 to 6 months, but it took me just less than 2 months.
Mabilis nga po, no? We are given an expectation like 3 to 6 months. Pero I don't hear anything yet na nag-extend talaga ng more than 3 or 4 months. Pero it really depends on the Board of Nursing din talaga. No? But we are lucky enough, we are under iPass processing kasi lalo na for us, we are working people, it will be difficult for us to process our own documents. But with the
Exactly.
help of iPass processing, it's a smooth sailing lang talaga.
Yes, and very
Yung
accommodating talaga
experience.
po sila. So
Oo.
thank you so much iPass. Very accommodating po lahat po ng mga admin, sila Sir Ken. Kung may inquiry, agad-agad po sila nagre-respond, which is really what I like about iPass.
Thank you. So, Ma'am Shirley, how many months did you prepare for your NCLEX?
I would say less than 6 months po. Kasi I joined July last year and then April. So mga ganun po, 6 months tama. Mga ganun po, mga 6 months po akong nag-review. Kasi yun nga, wala akong bedside experience. So yung strategy ko po na ginawa is I joined live discussion for
Mm-mm.
batch 11. So consistent po ako nag-join ng live though I just finished until 2 hours 4 hours to 5 hours yung lectures. And then I will just repeat the recorded sa in the morning kasi I work at night. And then dun sa cycle 12, so I seriously religiously attend the live discussion on cycle 11 and then on cycle 12, I made my own calendar na. So, nag-strategize na ako kung ano yung mga i-review ko, yung mga main subjects, ganun po yung ginawa ko.
Thank you, Ma'am Shirley, for sharing with that. No, you really have to create your own study plan, depending on how many months you're going to prepare for the exam. So
Yes
it
po.
doesn't matter if it's 3 to 4 months, 6 months. It depends on the individual how you want to prepare your exam. So there are times na, for example, for family people, they tend to extend from 6 months to a year, but it doesn't matter because we want
Yes
to
po.
be sure the moment that we sit for the exam, we're gonna pass it right there and then.
Yes. I can't afford to fail the exam kasi ang gastos. Sobrang gastos. Then on the cycle 12, what I did, yun nga, inorganize ko yung ano mga subjects that I will review. And then I went back to the recorded videos. So doon na po yung parang nag-store na po talaga sa memory ko lahat ng ano ng mga discussion and at the same time I'm posting na po yung mga mnemonics dun sa wall ko. Hanggang ngayon nga hindi ko
Ah,
pa natanggal. So, ganun na po yung ginawa ko. And then, on the third cycle, which is parang 3 months before the exam, dun na nag-focus lang po ako sa UWorld. Yun, binabalikan ko na lang if may mga I didn't encounter na mga questions sa UWorld, yun, na mga subjects. So, mga concepts. So, ganun po yung ginawa kong strategy, sir.
that's good. And with
Yes
the
po.
help po, because here at IPAS, we provide one-on-one coaching session together with the student. Did you avail
Yes.
po a
Yes
coaching
po.
program?
Yes po, I availed with Ma'am Kristen. Kristen ba yun?
Ah,
Opo. And it really helped me kasi very anxious na ako nung malapit na yung exam. I was really anxious. I don't know where to, kumbaga, am I doing the right thing, yung strategy that I'm doing. And it really helped yung guidance ng mga coaches. Mag-reach out lang po kayo kasi sometimes hindi ako nakaka-receive na ng invite eh. Parang before na lang, mga weeks before my exam, saka na ako invite. So, nag-reach out po ako kay Sir Mark and then yun, iba-ibang coaches na yun nag-reach out para dun
ah.
sa coaching. So, si Ma'am Cristel po yun yung consistent nagpa-follow up ganyan. So, thank you Ma'am Cristel.
What was the best advice po binigay ni Ma'am Crystal that helped you acing your NCLEX?
The best advice po is just to relax. The day before the exam, she also advised me to like take 5 questions before you take your exam, before you enter the examination room. And that's what I did. Browse-browse lang ako din sa mga questionnaire sa La Charity. Ayan, isa din po yan na nagamit ko for prioritization. And then, yun, it really helped me kasi yung anxiety ko parang medyo naglaylo na yung anxiety ko when I do Pearson View. Yun, nakatulong po talaga yung mga advice niya na you need to think positively na huwag
That's
kang kabahan.
Would you agree with me, Ma'am Shirley, that the moment you step into the inside the testing center, you already expect that you do not know everything?
Yes, para siyang nablangko talaga, sir. When I entered the examination room, and they said that the exam itself is easier than UWorld. I find UWorld easier kasi it's more detailed compared to the actual exam na very short yung sentences. So you have, and then there are consistently two options that seems to be the correct answer. So I always, wala, saan dito? Pwede din naman to. Pwede din to. So ganun ako. So I was really kumbaga kabadong-kabado ko. I felt like, kasi when I reached 85 items, it has been 3 hours na I already
Mm,
spent 3 hours. So I said, oh my God, kalahati pa lang ako. I didn't really expect that it will stop at 85. So um, what strategy should I do? Kasi sobrang bagal ko. It took me like 4 minutes to answer questions, ganyan. Yun, sobrang kabado ako. I felt like hindi na tama yung mga sinasagot ko. So what I did, nag-stop muna ako. I raised my hand kasi pwede kang mag-break eh. So I took a break and then I went to the restroom. Tapos tinignan ko yung sarili ko sa mirror. Kaya mo yan. Tapos hingang malalim. Ayun, nag-deep breathing exercise ako before I went back. And then, thank God talaga, I really, to God be the glory for passing the exam. Kasi pag stop ng 85, nagtaas agad ako ng kamay na pag aalis na, di ba? Aalis na, mag-stop agad
yeah.
ako. Nag-raise agad ako ng kamay. Eh, meron pa palang questionnaire. So, in-approach na ako, ay sorry, I'll just answer the questionnaire muna. So, sobrang na-excite ako nung nag-stop nung 85. Pero, yun, don't be anxious talaga and wag kayong masyadong kabahan na pag hindi man nag-stop ng 85. Ang importante doon, matapos natin and then kahit mag-stop yan ng 150, that's okay. As long as you did your best. For me, the best preparation would be yung during the discussion, the cycle. Kasi if yun nga, sabi nga nila, pag wala kang sandata, paano ka lalaban sa war, di ba? So, it applies also to taking the NCLEX. And, of course, prayers. So, I owe it all to God. I know that I won't be able to make it without His help din talaga.
Thank you, Ma'am Shirley. I'm visualizing yung situation mo, no? Parang it gives me nostalgic kung yung time na nagtitake din ako ng exam. It's very similar on how we are able to experience
Yes
yung
po.
moment na yon. For sure, mga classmates natin now or whoever is
Mm-mm.
watching our live session dito sa Hope Talk is they will be able to visualize po, no? Or at least malaman nila yung bits of what will they expect po doon sa
Mm-mm.
loob ng testing center. But I wanted to tackle po, no, on how you were able to balance po your preparation with your
Yes,
other
it's really
commitments.
important po.
Kasi di ba po, we are a working people. Like for myself, mag-isa lang po ako dito sa Singapore. And for you, you are
Mm.
taking care of your
Two
only
kids,
child.
one
Wow, even
2-year old and
amazing.
one 6-year old. It's really important din po that you should have your support system. So it's a team effort for me. I won't take you all the credit. Of course, my husband, he's been very supportive in pursuing this plan for our kids na sobrang na ano ko na compromise ko yung time ko with the kids. Pero thankfully siya yung nag-asikaso sa kanila. Hindi na siya, kasi seafarer siya, so hindi na siya sumakay. Parang pinending pa niya para lang maalagaan din yung kids. So thank you for that. And yun, sa kids ko talaga, yun yung time management. I make a schedule. So I prepare like 9 to 10 ay preparation, ganyan. And then 10 a.m. to 1 a.m. Ayan, nakakalagay doon yung ano ko, yung schedule ko, hindi ko pa
Nandiyan
talaga
pa.
natatanggal. Opo. So I made a schedule and then hindi ako sumasama sa mga lakad. So mahilig kasi silang kumain sa labas yung family ng husband. Hindi ako sumasama sa kanila. I just stay at home and then I take the opportunity to really review. It takes a lot of effort talaga and sacrifices, but it will be all worth it naman pag naipasa nyo na po. Yun, very important support system, yung mag-aalaga sa mga bata, ganyan, pag kailangan ko mag-review. Kasi I allot like 3 hours nga lang eh. Kasi yung iba, di ba, what more sa iba na mga 3 to 4 hours ang naalat ko per day. Ayan. Tapos, in the evening, nag-attend ako ng live discussion. So, mga 2 hours, ganyan. Ayun. So, siya yung nagbabantay ng mga bata. Yung ano ko nga, yung panganay ko, Mommy, don't play with me anymore. Ngayon siya. So, nagrereklamo na
Nagtatampo
siya.
na.
Oo. Pero pinapaintindi ko sa kanila na, I have to review. You pray for mommy that I'll pass the exam. Ginaganyan ko na lang siya. So, yun po, yung pinaka-greatest sacrifice talaga yung time with the kids. And then, syempre, nag-work na ako ng gabi. And then, yun, ang mako-compromise din na isa yung sleep. Very important yung sleep, pero talaga yun yung feeling ko na kulang talaga ako. Nag-sleep nun mga 4 hours lang yung sleep ko, 4 to 5 hours. Pero thank God naman yung, kumbaga quality yung sleep kahit na 4 to 5 lang yung deep sleep na talaga. Paghiga ko pa lang nakatulog na ako sa sobrang pagod. Yun, hindi ko nga po alam kung paano ko na-survive, pero thank God talaga. Yun, time management, paglagay ka ng schedule mo, stick with that schedule, and then masasanay ka din eh. It will just be a routine for you na hindi ka na mahihirapan eventually.
That's a great strategy po, no, Ma'am Shirley. You have really created your own study plan na wala
Mm-mm.
pang nagsasabi or nag-a-advise sa'yo na ito yung gagawin mo. You started by preparing po this even months back prior to your examination date in advance kasi you are giving yourself ample time to review all the content areas.
Yes
So,
po.
in a way, you have invested po in an online review time which offered po, no? Kasi structured naman yung content natin,
Yes.
mga video
Oh.
lectures. So, kung nakaka-attend po tayo ng live, and that much better po. But for
Mm-mm.
those classmates po natin who aren't able to attend the live, that's okay because we have recorded session naman.
Recorded
It's really
sessions.
important po
Very
talaga, no? You
helpful.
have to, yes, na you have to balance po your preparation with your job. Because I know as a single person po, no, working and studying at the same time is challenging. What
Mm-mm.
more for you? So this
Yes
is
po.
a good example po, no, Ma'am Shirley, having two kids, working from home,
Full
and you
time,
are
yes
taking care of
po.
the entire family. So you made a
Mm-mm.
point po to study a little, just 3 to 4 hours every day, or
Mm-mm.
even just for an hour. Okay na yun. Kasi you are somehow preparing yourself dun sa goal talaga na gusto mong matupad. It's very challenging, but it's worth it at the end pag
Yes po.
nakuha mo na yung past results. And were there times po ba, Ma'am Shirley, that you find yourself in doubt?
Ay, of course po. But what I do is I always pray. And I find kasi talagang when you pray, it gives you yung positive mindset that it gives you the peace of mind na you've done your part, let God do the rest. As long as you did your part, everything will be okay. And I would encourage our classmates, our fellow nurses to have this time to really communicate with God. Na I know we are dealing with our own battles. We have our own seasons, and it's important for us to really put Him first. Kasi if we put God first in everything that we do, you'll have that peace of mind that everything will be taken care of by him. Basta lang you have to do your part as well. Kasi, of course, if we don't do our part, then ano po yung magiging, kumbaga, yun nga, weapon natin and attacking those questions. So, just do your part. Prayer, it's very important talaga yung prayer and the support system. Yun yung parang I can say that really helped me ace the exam.
Yes, and I agree with that, Ma'am Shirley, no? Tapos may ano pa rin, may moments of you are feeling you get tired or you get
Mm-mm.
bored on the daily routine of studying and working at the same time. But may moments then na you have to tell yourself, why did you started this
Mm-mm.
NCLEX? Why? So you have to ask yourself, why am I doing this? Is this for myself? Do I just have to prove myself, or is this for
Mm-mm.
my family's future? So there are a lot of reasons. Go back to those reasons,
Reasons,
and for
exactly
sure,
po.
babalik ulit kayo to have more confidence and
Mm-mm.
more sipag dito sa pagre-review natin.
Yes po.
And during that time po, you mentioned po earlier that you availed UWorld. Tama po ba?
Yes, with iPass din po yun. Kasi
With
discounted.
iPass.
Yes.
Yes.
Sobrang
Yung UWorld kay
lahat na, all
iPass.
in na kay iPass. Yun, so
Thank
lahat
you po
po
talaga.
talaga kay iPass. Yun po,
And
nag-UWorld po ako, sir.
how did you find po yung mga questions sa UWorld? How did it help you in acing your entrance?
Especially on the case study, it really helped me understand how to attack questions, yung UWorld, especially on the rationale. So if I go back to the rationale, kaya pala ganito, or that's what I miss. So it will make you realize what are the, for example, you have a wrong answer. So it will make you realize what are the points that you miss on the question. So yun, it helped me really strategize kung ano yung mga, how to attack the question. Ang naging kamali ko lang siguro kasi masyado ako naging kampante kasi okay yung score sa UWorld eh. So sa mismong exam na parang, la, iba naman, manghirap pala ng exam. Pero hindi ko kayo tinatakot, kayang-kaya nyo yan. So yun, pero yung UWorld, it really helped me. Yung very detailed kasi sa UWorld eh, yung mga case study,
Yeah.
questions. So it will already give you a hint. As long as, sabi nga ni Sir J, concept is the key. So if you understand the concept, you know what is the correct answer to those questions. So, you know how to attack the question talaga. What I like about IPAS po is yung mga lecturers din. Sobrang thankful ako sa lecturers kasi they have different strategy on how to attack. Parang si Ma'am Pau, case study master. Si Sir J, Pat Official Master. Yan. Si Sir Ryan, nasa US na. Yay! Congrats Sir Ryan and family. Ayun. So, very inspiring. Tsaka, very bubbly si Sir Ryan. Si Ma'am Osang, sobrang simple lang pero maatatandaan mo talaga yung strategy niya. So si Ma'am Haya din, yan. Ang gagaling talaga ng mga live lecturers din talaga ng IPAS. So very grateful talaga ako sa help na binigay niyo po.
Thank you po for trusting iPass On Review Mentoring Academy when it comes to your NCLEX review naman po, Ma'am Shirley. I agree with that, no? Different educators, different approach. And how I managed to, no, to understand yung disease process or the concept itself
Mm-mm.
is I also adapted. Yung kung sino yung i-expect kong educator, I have to be too much prepared or I have to be awake
Mm.
doon sa dapat hindi ako masyadong pagod. So I can focus on this topic, no? Pero dapat talaga all the time when you're doing your review, you have to always focus 100%. Why? Because it will it will matter in the future. Because imagine each topic po will last for 4 hours.
Yes. Sobra, sir.
And
Haba.
according, di ba, dito sa online review, no, it's how many hours? I think 200 over. So it's right lang po na divide natin siya into how many days. So in one cycle, there will be 3 months po, no? 3 months of preparation.
3
And
months.
that's more than enough. But for example, the moment na hindi niyo po talaga kayang i-adopt yung attending in just one topic, that's okay. You can extend your review naman. And you can attend the recorded po.
Yung recorded. Ang ginawa ko din po pag if I don't understand like during the live lecture, I go back to the recorded video and I repeat the recorded video. Yun nga lang, sobrang yung time na i-spend mo. Pero worth it naman. Yun, may intindihan mo yung concept.
That's right po, Ma'am Shirley. And on top of that, every lecture, meron po tayong drills na tinatawag, like from Sir Ryan and Ma'am Paula. So they will teach us on how to answer NGN type of questions. Not only providing you the answer, but will provide you the strategies that you need. So, Ma'am Shirley, what was your approach po to answering questions you were unsure about?
Yung sa mga unsure po ako, sir, 'pag gano'n po, kasi, that's what good about, attending yung live lecture kasi puwede kang magtanong. Kaya lang kung yung hindi ako attend ng live lecture and then I just use the recorded video, if I'm not sure, I go back to the concept sa roadmap. Puwede mo ding i-check do'n yung mga concept or kaya, um, meron din namang mga reliable sources online. So, I try to research din po, it really helped me din. And yun nga lang kasi 'di ba magkakaiba tayo so walang kakilala. So,
Yeah.
good thing din po sa ano, sa group chat, yun, Cycle 10, nagtatanong din po ako dun. So, may mga kakilala na dun ako, sila Mamshi, wala na si Mamshi siguro. Ano yan, nagme-message ako, private message sa kanila. Pag yung may mga hindi ako sure din na mga topics. Ganun po yung ginagawa ko, sir.
Thank you for bringing this up, Ma'am Shirley. So each cycle po or sa group chat, we have cycle representatives.
Yes.
So any updates po when it comes to the updated lecture or cancellation of class, it's better po na we stick dun sa group chat na yon.
Mm-mm.
And don't worry, it will be all the same thing. All the information will be passed down to all the students. The same information, no matter what cycle you belong.
I ano din po, they update din. For example, we don't have class or the lecture canceled, they update ahead of time. So that's what's good
Yes.
about it din. Nag-a-update po sila.
So thank you for sharing that, Ma'am Charlino. If you do not know something, you do your research. You do your
Mm-mm.
assignments as well as a student. Di ba? 'Di ba gaya naman tayo eh. Even outside the study, when we don't know something, we just search it in the Google. So
Mm-mm.
we utilize these things then during the moment of your review. So what was your approach po, ma'am, sa multiple choice and sa SATA?
Multiple choice, yung sure ko lang. Yun pala, yun yung pinaka-importante din na advice. You just answer those that you are sure of. Kasi 'di ba right minus wrong. So, pag yung naging ano ko yun, struggle ko na, hala, kulang ako ng isa, hala, sumobra ako ng isa, laging ganun. So, ang naging strategy ko na lang, I just let it go if kulang ako ng isa, that's okay. Kesa naman may deduction sa score. So, what I did, I just answered those that I am sure of. Pag ano, multiple choices sa SATA po. Yun yung naging strategy ko. And yun,
Thank you.
concept mastery talaga, like for the symptoms, especially with the endocrine system. So if you know what part is affected, so mas ma-answer mo na yung question, yung options. You can choose the correct options.
Thank you,
Yun
Ma'am
po, sir.
Shirley. Napapansin ko talaga sobrang ganda ng preparation niyo. I really admire po how
Thank you,
you
sir.
prepared your NCLEX.
Kailangan pumasa.
Yes, kailangan na lahat tayo papasa. By the
Yes.
way, it's a matter of time lang and a matter of how we prepare for this exam. I agree with that. You have to do your mastery concept before doing your practice questions. Because for
Mhm.
some, I know you are excited to do your practice questions. And some are availing the question banks. But if we
Mm-mm.
don't have the mastery concept, how can we answer the question banks correctly? So if you notice, no, pag medyo mababang scores natin, probably we are not yet expert na tinatawag
Mm-mm.
natin or a master yung concept na yun. That's why we are low on that scores. So we have to be honest then and kind to ourselves. Bakit nga ba ako mahina sa topic na to? Then all you have to do is to go back to the
Go back
topic.
to the topic. Parang
Yes.
ako po yung sa cardio, hindi ko yung sa mga ano yun sa ECG reading, nalilito ako. I just go back to the topic. Tapos inintindi ko paano yung pattern, ganyan. Yun yung ano, talagang you have to go back to the concept that you are weak. Importante
Thank
din
you.
talaga yun.
And to our classmates, no, may I ask, you can message po dito sa chat box natin. What are the subjects that you find it difficult po? Yan. So, malalaman natin later on pag may mga nag-message. So, for you, Ma'am Shirley, it's cardiology. Cardiology
Yes,
subject.
cardiology po.
That's
Medyo
okay,
ano,
ma'am. Lahat naman tayo may weakness and strength. But don't forget, no, you don't just focus on your strength. Don't forget about your weakness din.
your weakness. Yes,
Di
sir.
ba?
And it's very ano po, helpful din yung kay Sir J, yung sa discussion niya. I tried to take down notes din. Tapos I just go back dun sa the concept. Yun, dun ko po talaga naaral. Tapos pag hindi ko talaga magets, yun, nag-search po ako online. Ganun yung ginawa ko talaga.
In the beginning po ba, Ma'am Shirley, when you first started answering practice questions, do you find yourself anxious?
Of course. Of course, sir. Parang, did I make the right decision? Should I really pursue this? Kasi in the beginning talagang wala akong alam. Ang bibilis sumagot ng mga mga kasama ko sa review, tapos ako nag-iisip pa lang anong sagot, and then like failed yung mga first na mga exams ko. So that's when I realized na kailangan ko seryosohin to. It's not hindi biro yung binitawan, so kailangan so, kailangan maipasa mo 'to, ganyan. So, what I did talaga nag-focus ako din sa concept, sir. Kasi 'pag na-gets mo talaga yung concept, madali mo na lang i-attack yung question talaga.
Yes. And would you agree with me, Ma'am Shirley, the moment that you have your mastery concept na, it's fun to answer practice questions.
Yes. Yes po, sir. Kasi
It's
alam
a
mo
fun
na
learning
agad yung
experience, di ba?
And there are those I also followed pages in Facebook and social media that
Mm.
yung mga questionnaire, yung nagbibigay ng questionnaires and clicks questions, ganyan. I joined those groups, tapos I try to answer, and then I check the comment section if it matches with the answers that I have. So ganun po yung ginawa ko.
It's like you're not only depending on the rationales itself dun sa binigay
Yes.
sa'yo, no?
Mm-mm.
If you don't understand the rationales, then do your assignments then, do your
Assignment.
research to better understand po, no? So, tama po yun, ma'am. You just have to, for uncertain questions po talaga, no? You have to use the process of elimination. This is what we learned po during the test-taking strategies. That's why it's really important then, no? Here at IPAS, we don't
Mm-mm.
just provide the lecture. We also provide you the strategies that you need when it comes to answering practice questions. So you have to narrow down yung mga choices and then choose the
Mm.
best possible answer.
Yeah.
And imagine mo, ma'am, no, o when you're attending the drills, if you can remember, Ma'am Paula was the one who mentioned, you have to learn how to do your pacing in reading the questions.
Mm-mm. Especially it's applicable for the case study, sir. You have to really know your pacing. Tapos, as you're reading kasi it's a story, di ba? So, it's a
Yeah,
scenario. So, you have to read every detail of it. Tapos, may mga panglito, pero just focus on what the question is asking. Yan.
yes. Thank you, medyo nagiging detail tayo, no? Pero it's really a good sharing when it comes to the concept mastery and practice questions. It will help really our students, oh, lalo na sa mga magte-take na ng exam
Mm-mm.
or who will be preparing for this practice questions or availing the Q banks. And to new classmates who joined the 14th cycle, this is one of the best no, study structure that you can take on. Kasi if you have your mastery concept, it will be easier for you to do your practice questions.
Yes
Alam nyo
po.
na eh, lilituhin lang talaga kayo ni
Mm-mm.
questions.
Ng
Yeah.
questions. O yun yung scenario, magbibigay siya ng other scenario, but you just go back to the question.
Of course, Ma'am Shirley, no? Habang nagre-review tayo, you will experience stress and yun nga po, self-doubt, no? How did you manage your stress during your preparation period?
Ay, sobra po yung stress ko. So, there are days that I don't review. So, I stop reviewing pag yung medyo exhausted na yung ko. And then, I also have migraine. So, yun yung
Mm.
pinaka-problema ko. So, when that attacks, I cannot review. Pero what I do, Netflix is the key. What helped me yung, share ko na din, yung Young
Oh,
Sheldon. So,
sure.
na-hook ako doon. So, bawat episode doon, yung season, yun yung pinapanood ko habang nagre-review. So, I watch one episode before I go for the review. Ganun po yung ginawa ko. Nagne-Netflix lang ako. But I don't really go out kasi talagang parang yun. Pero it's okay if your way of really stressing out or to kumbaga, yeah, to relax is to go out, eat out, that's okay. Yun, depende talaga kasi talaga yung mga natin, yung mga gusto natin or how are we going to relax. But as a mom like me, I don't have much time. So, yun lang. I just do watch episode season sa Netflix. Yun yung naging ko. Kumbaga, stress reliever.
Yes. Ano yun eh, depende talaga sa individual, no? Some of
Mm-mm.
them, they are trying to delete yung mga applications that can distract them.
Ay, opo.
Like for,
Nag-ano din
di
pala
ba?
ako, nag-deactivate ako ng Facebook. Messenger lang.
Yes. At least sa Messenger, you're able to communicate with your classmates, to the
Mm-mm.
coordinators, and to your
Mm.
coaches. So, importante din na active din yung Messenger na.
Nag-uninstall po ako ng Facebook kasi I don't have any other social media accounts naman. Facebook lang tsaka Messenger. So I deactivated Facebook. And then yung Messenger lang talaga kasi yun yung way to communicate with the iPass team.
And this is a part of your sacrifice din, no? Kasi
Mm-mm.
you will lose track on the current events din na pwede mong mabasa. But what you did is you just focus on the study and then yung relaxation, yung way of relaxation niyo po is to watch Netflix. For some, they do exercise, like
Ayun.
jogging, mga ganyan. Some of them, they like to play online games, just a couple of
Mm-mm.
minutes. But if this is a way for you to, ano po, no, to relax, huwag niyo pong hayaan na you, parang tanggalin kagad siya right there and then. You can do slowly naman. For example,
Mm-mm.
you can spend an hour, for example, in the beginning of your review, para hindi niyo pa kaya siyang i-let go. So let's try to start by removing by 1 hour, 30 minutes, and so on. Pag
Mm-mm.
kaya na, then that's better.
Yes.
Para kasi yung focus natin, ano ba talaga? Why are we doing this? So we really have to have our 100% focus dun sa review na yun. And don't forget to also use your techniques, no? When
Mm-mm.
during the breaks. Kasi it's really exhausting. Pag when you're reviewing for hours straight, na
Mm-mm.
walang breaks, talaga, pag yan yung nagiging routine nyo, it will be difficult for you. Sometimes you will feel like giving up. Why?
Yes po,
Because you're
exactly,
not
sir.
being kind to yourself. You're not taking care of yourself in a way. Dapat you have to do your break times, no? Take scheduled breaks during your review and it will really help you to, how do I say this? Yung parang ma-capture ka agad in a way.
Mm-mm.
Like
Yes, sir.
meditation, mindfulness, yung mga napapanood natin like positive messages, positive small
Yeah,
clips or short
magre-read ng
clips.
mga clips, yan. Yung
Yan, di
sa
ba?
ginagawa ni Sir Ryan before we start, he played mga inspirational music, ganyan. So it really helps din po para makalma yung mind natin.
That's true. And ma'am, can you share us more po? When it comes to after passing the NCLEX, how did you feel po?
Ay, of course, it's kumbaga cloud nine. Very happy, at the same time grateful when I pass yung exam kasi ano lang yung sa quick result ako nag-base. So inantay ko pa ng 3 days before I avail the quick result. Tapos nung nalaman ko yun, sinabi ko sa parents ko, ayan, sa
Ah,
family ko, tapos yun, sa kids ko, yun. And then, sakto pa nun, graduation nung ano ko, panganay ko sa preschool. So, sabay-sabay yung celebration. Sobrang saya. Parang kumbaga all your sacrifices are kumbaga mawawala lahat kasi you know that you have done your
mm,
part, and yung very rewarding talaga pag nalaman mong yung status pa lang pass. Wala na akong pakialam sa mga
yeah,
makita ko lang yung status na pass, okay na yan. Tapos nung na-receive ko yung letter from New York board, so yun, ang
the
saya-saya,
certificate.
sobrang, yeah, the certificate. So it's really overwhelming but at the same time, kumbaga rewarding. Sobrang rewarding for all those months that I sacrifice. Yun.
And yung moment pa lang ng waiting time, no? How did you
Mm-mm.
stay calm po while waiting for your results?
Actually, hindi ako naging kalmado, sir. Sobrang kabado talaga ako na parang hindi ako nakakatulog. Pero ano, I just prayed. Yun, yung panganay ko kasi nagpe-pray yan before matulog. So, she includes me in her prayer, Lord, parang yung result sana ni Mommy, maging may she pass her
Mm,
exam. So, it really helps yung sa prayers. I just lean everything to God talaga na, Lord, you know, I did my part and you said in your word na pag ginawa mo naman yung part mo, God will do the rest. So, that's what I cling into na I know that I can make it
mm.
because I did my part, and at the same time, yung inasa ko talaga kay Lord na it's not just with my effort, pero yung grace talaga din ni Lord na maipasa ko yung exam. So, praise God for that.
And I noticed, Ma'am Shirley, ang lakas ng fighting spirit mo. Kasi when
Mm.
you want to achieve something not just for yourself, but also for your family, it will be easier for you to parang pumasok sa gera. Kasi
Yes,
alam mo na
sir.
yung sandata, di ba? May sandata ka na. I know they are your motivation po. Did you experience any challenges po during your preparation?
Yes, of course, sir. So, yung challenges ko nga, yung sa ano lang naman, the time management, the challenges that I had talaga yung time with the kids. Kasi I
Mm.
really compromised that. Instead of me spending time with them, hindi ko talaga nakakasama. Nandito ako sa taas, tas sila nasa baba lang. So,
Uh,
that's the challenge for me na naiiyak nga ako, may time na umiiyak ako na, Lord, tapos di ko mapasa 'to. Yun parang may
Mm.
mga negative emotions pa rin, may stress ka pa din. Of course, there are still, kumbaga anxious ka, so you don't know what will happen if you'll pass it or not. Yun. So, what I just did, if those thoughts na parang naiisip ko yun, I just pray talaga na, Lord, please naman ibigay mo na sa akin 'to. Yun yung lagi kong prayer kay Lord na sana maipasa ko yung exam. And truly, God grants prayers.
We are really happy po, Ma'am Shirley, with your achievements and how did you
Thank you,
prepare for this
sir.
exam. Ang ganda po ng study plan niyo and hopefully makakuha po talaga yung mga classmates natin, ma-visualize nila on how did you prepare for this exam. Lalo na po, you are a family person, you juggle po
Mm.
yung time between work, family, and study. It's really amazing how you prepared po talaga this exam. What are the traits po did you discover in yourself po na akala nyo hindi siya nagagawa pero nagawa?
Yeah, siguro yung time management and yun na din, self-discipline kasi you have to sacrifice a lot, 'di ba, sa review. Tapos I'm a parent, tapos I work full-time sa gabi. I really, kung baga if I go back din talaga sa preparation ko, paano ko kaya nagawa yun? Ganun. Pero
Oo.
it's all by the grace of the Lord din talaga. And yung motivation, if you really have that motivation, yun, ganun pala na if I have that drive, that motivation, talagang makakaya mo. I found myself na kaya ko palang to really juggle yung being a mom, reviewing at the same time, and then working. So, yung self-discipline, it's very important din talaga on how I made it dun sa exam. So,
I
kayo
think,
din po sa mga classmates, ay mga classmates, mga nurses dyan, I know for sure that you can make it. Just continue your review, uh, relax if you need to, but don't lose hope. Kung nakikita nyo na na bumababa yung score sa drills, that's okay. What's important is for you to understand the rationale. Kasi if you understand the rationale and the concept, you know how to attack the question. So don't get kumbaga frustrated if mababa yung mga scores, especially sa mga nag-uumpisa. Eventually you can assess yourself naman if ay nag-improve na ako ganyan. So I know that you can make it. If ako nga na walang bedside na kaya ko, what more pa to those single and then working in the bedside, for sure you'll make it.
thank you for encouraging po, Miss Shirley, yung classmates natin. For sure, may iba dyan, no, na panghihina ng loob. But definitely, when you prepare this religiously, yung study plan ninyo, the rest will follow. Good results
Mm-mm.
will come out. Di ba? What do you think po yung mga common mistakes na ginawa nyo na pwede nyo pong i-advise sa classmate natin para hindi na nila gawin?
Common mistake, sir, with regards to attacking questions or with the
You
preparation?
can, with the preparation po, like for example, with the content review and the practice questions na.
With the review po, siguro yung masyado akong na-worry. I'm a worrier. So don't be like me. I tried to instead of yung kumbaga mag-relax lang yung mind ko, ang na-compromise ko talaga sleep. Yun, I admit that. So wag niyo akong gagayahin. If you really need to sleep, then go sleep. Kasi there were times na dito na ako natutulog. So lalagay ko yung extra sofa. So pag inaantok ako sa kala ko hihiga. Tapos hindi na naging quality yung review ko kasi gusto kong mag-review, yung utak yung will mo na gusto mong mag-review kasi na-pressure ka nga, but your body wants to rest. So, listen to your body. So, if you need to rest, take the rest that you need. Tapos, pag may energy na kayo, then review. Kasi yun yung naging isang problem ko na siguro masyado ding akong in-exhaust yung body ko physically kasi if gusto kong mag-review tapos yung katawan ko na may inaantok. So, waste of time din and waste of energy. So, it's important for you, listen to your body. If you need to rest, take rest, then just take yung energy, charge your body, kumbaga. And then after that, then you can review. Yun po, sir. Yung
Thank you,
naging
Ma'am
ko.
Shirley. Napaka-insightful
Thank
po
you,
and
sir.
you are very thoughtful dun sa words na yun, no, para hindi na rin gawin ng ating mga classmates. So we really learned something from this a lot. Actually, I really learned a lot, no? If I could go back in time, probably I would do the same thing, yung
Mm-mm.
in-advise po ninyo. But again, may kanya-kanya tayong timeline. For sure,
Mm-mm.
our students who are feeling nervous with their exam, don't worry. Like what Ma'am Shirley said, have faith. That's
Mm-mm.
the most important thing. Just pray, pray to God, and He will do the rest.
Yes, sir. Exactly
And
po.
with that, Ma'am Shirley, we would like to present to you your IPAS certificate.
Wow, yay! Parang kailan lang nung ako din yung nasa ano din, nasa chat. Wow, thank you so much for this, iPass family.
So, this certificate is
Yay.
proudly presented to Shirley Nealega for successfully passing the NCLEX RN examination. This serves as a proof that the successful candidate indicated in this certificate is a safe nurse based on the USA Standards of Nursing
Yay.
Practice. Signed by Sir J. Padong and Sir Mark Zaspan. Congratulations, Miss Shirley.
Thank you. Thank you so much, iPass. I won't make it without you. So, thank you so much for your help.
So, Mama Shirley, one last thing po. What should the future test takers focus on their final week of preparation?
On your final week of preparation, so what I did really is just yung computer adaptive ng UWorld, yung set ng exam na computer adaptive. So that's what I just did on the last week of the exam. And what I did is that I made sure na sakto yung time when I subscribed to UWorld na 3 months before. So April 27 nag-expire yung UWorld ko. April 29 yung exam ko. So parang 2 days or yeah, 2 days before the exam hindi na po ako nag-review. I just relax my mind and then spend time with my kids, ganyan. So yun na lang yung ginawa ko. Pero yun, just focus na lang on taking yung mga drills or yung sa kung if you will avail yung UWorld or Archer, yun, mag-computer adaptive lang kayo. Yun yung ginawa ko ha. Yun yung naging effective sa akin. And then I
Mhm.
just go back to the rationale.
I definitely agree with that. Habang ngayon, no, here at Cycle 14, for those new here, it's better to start early and create a structured study plan that
Yes.
covers all content areas thoroughly. So, to avoid common mistakes na rin like
Mm-mm.
cramming and neglecting practice question, no? And again, di ba, consistency is the key. Tapos, you really have to utilize po yung mga practice questions for you to be familiarize yourself with the test format of the NCLEX. Eventually, you will identify po yung mga weak areas.
Mm-mm.
Then, we'll work on it kung anong gagawin natin doon. Then, don't forget to avail your coaching sessions. Please check your emails po for those who haven't availed their coaches. So, thank you so much, Ma'am
Thank
Shirley.
you
And
so
one
much for
last
having
thing,
me here po.
how
Yes
did
po.
the entire iPass family help you in achieving your American dream?
Course, they had help a lot, sir. So, gaya nga ng paulit-ulit ko na sinasabi, I won't make it without the help of iPass. From processing, it has been very smooth until with the online review, they've been very helpful. All the concepts, I was able to use it during the exam. What's important is really yung concept mastery and then the test-taking strategy. Everything is with iPass. As I mentioned earlier, I purchased a Saunders book, but I wasn't able to use it. I just used the roadmap and then the La Charity. So every resources that I have, it's from iPass. And I was able to use it. Just utilize it. Basahin nyo lang po yun and then understand it, of course. And for sure, you'll make it. So thank you so much, iPass family, for the help. You have been very helpful dun sa journey ko with my NCLEX exam.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Shirley. We are really happy to have you here at Hope Talk. For sure, talaga, ang dami mang na-inspire na
Thank
classmates
you. I
and
hope
marami
so.
rin talaga sila nakuhang tips and strategies on how did you pass the NCLEX. And it shows na it doesn't matter how many months did you
Mm-mm.
prepare for this NCLEX as long as you have your goal. 3 to 4 months, 6 months
Yes,
is
that's
enough.
okay. Yes po.
That's okay na. So again, Miss Shirley, thank you very much for accepting our
Thank
invitation for this
you
Hope
for
Talk.
having
I pass processing made easy for you. I pass processing.